Today you're gonna learn how to play the Office intro on the piano. I'm gonna be showing you how to play it off of the sheet music, so you'll see my hands at the piano and then you'll see the sheet music right above it. If you don't know how to read sheet music, or maybe you know how to read sheet music but it's really slow, I would love to show you my really quick and easy formula that I use to read sheet music 5 times faster. Put it all into a guide that you can download for free down below. Okay, the first thing that you're gonna notice in this song is that we have 2 treble clefs. So normally when we're reading sheet music, we play up in our treble clef with our right hand, and then our left hand plays down here in our bass clef. But in this song, both hands are in the treble clef, so both hands are gonna be a little bit higher. So here's middle C on my piano. Right hand is gonna be starting with 2 and 4 on B and G. Okay, so here's middle C, here's where we're starting up here. Left hand is gonna be playing on this G right below. Okay, so both hands are gonna be above middle C. Right hand's gonna start here. We're gonna go to left hand, back up to the right hand, and then we're gonna repeat it. Okay, and you can see that in the music. So I'm gonna count it, and it goes like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay. For this next part, we're gonna drop our pointer finger down to F sharp, and we're still gonna play B and G with our right hand. So we're gonna play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, now our left hand's gonna go back up to G, our right hand's gonna play B and E, and we're gonna do the same pattern where we do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now our right hand's gonna play C and E. We're gonna play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then the next part repeats just what we did. So we're gonna be on B and D up here. We're gonna play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Drop down 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, once you've practiced it and you've gotten it down a little bit, then you can start to speed it up and it will sound more like the song. So it'll sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. Now, if you want to learn the full song, you can find that in the sheet music down below. It's just as easy as this intro part, just includes this part.